everyone, so right now let's have a look at the difference between these two machines. This one is the professional S-shape 30K machine and this one is the home use 30K machine. First, they are all 30K combined with the RF. They are the same. Second, these two facial handles is the same like the home use one. They are the same. Which means the home use standard is exactly like the beauty art one. The only difference is for the professional one, it comes with the vacuum, but for the home use one, it comes with the 30K Pro ultrasonic. So the difference between these two handles is the vacuum, it can help you to do the body drainage and the body detoxing, and also help you to build up the body shape, like make your waistline to shrinking to build up the body curve. But for the 30K Pro ultrasonic, it is going to help you to target on those sharpened cellulite. And the last difference is for the professional one, it combined it with the 160 MW lipo laser pad. I will choose this machine. If you are the personal user, you choose this one. But if you are the beauty bar owner, you can totally choose this one. And also, if you're the personal user, you don't want the lipo laser pad, we also can send it to you without the lipo laser pad, only this front handle.